Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony. Okay, this is the yarn I want to use, and this is my 3mm hook. So this is the yarn tail. First of all, I'm going to make one slip knot. So to make the slip knot, you need your index finger, make an X shape here, and pull this one through the loop and make one knot. So this is the loop, this is the knot, this is the short tail, and this is the working yarn. Now you need to insert your hook inside of the loop, hold the knot, and pull the working yarn, just like that. Don't pull it too much, your hook needs to move inside of the loop, you see? Now I want to show you how to chain. So to make chains, first of all, you need to learn how to yarn over. This is how we yarn over. You see, like that. Again, like that. Now you need to grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. This is one chain. Again, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through. Again, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through. Now we have 3 chains. Again, 4, 5, 6. Do you see that? Each V shape is one chain. The number of chains we need is 32. So you need to chain 32 and then I'm gonna be here. Okay, now I have 32 chains. I want to tell you, if you accidentally chained more, how to undo it. So first you need to take out your hook, pull the working yarn. That's it. This is how we undo one chain. Now you need to insert your hook again, like that. Okay, after the 32 chains, I want to start the row 1. In the row 1, we want to crochet inside of the chains. You see, each chain has 2 loops. This is one loop, and this is the other loop. I want to start crocheting inside of the 3rd chain from the hook. This is the first one, second one, and this is the 3rd one. I want to make a double crochet inside of this chain. Put your finger on this chain so you're not going to lose it. To make the double crochet, first you need to yarn over, like that. Now insert your hook inside of the chain. You see one loop of the chain is on my hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop. We have 3 loops now. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This is one double crochet. Again, yarn over. On the left, you see this is the next chain. I'm going to insert my hook inside of it. One loop of the chain is on my hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Make 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And again, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now I have 2 double crochets. Again, yarn over. On the left, this is the next chain. Insert your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. I'm going to keep making the double crochets until the end of the chains, which is here, and then after that you should count your double crochets. So this is how we're going to count them. Each one of these shapes is one double crochet, so you can count them from here, or you can count the V shapes. Do you see that? Each double crochet looks like a V from the top, so count them after this round, and then you should have 30 double crochets. I'm gonna meet you there. Okay, now I want to make the last stitch of round 1. So yarn over, this is the last chain, insert your hook, and make 1 double crochet. Do you remember these 2 chains? We started from the 3rd chain from the hook, so we have these 2 chains here. Do not count them as one double crochet. Okay, you shouldn't count them. You should start counting from here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. So this is the end of the round 1. Now I want to start the round or the row 2. First, you need to turn like that. Inside of the very first V shape that you see in here, I want to insert my hook under the V shape. You see that? You should be able to see the V shape on your hook. I want to yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops in here. You see this is 1 loop and this is 2 loops. Now I want to insert my hook between these 2 loops and under this one. Now yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. We're going to count this as the first double crochet of round 2. Now again on the left, do you see this V shape? Yarn over, insert your hook under the V shape. You see the V shape on my hook? Yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. 1 double crochet. Again on the left, do you see this V shape? Yarn over, insert your hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through, another double crochet. So you should keep making double crochets until the end of the row, which is here, and then I'm gonna be here with you. Okay, now I want to make the last stitch of row 2. Do you remember I told you shouldn't count these 2 chains as 1 double crochet? So we're not gonna make double crochet inside of it. So put your hand on it and 1 double crochet inside of the last stitch. You see the V shape? Yarn over and pull through 2 and pull through 2. So this is the end of the row 2 and you should have 30 double crochets. Don't forget to count this first stitch as 1 double crochet. Now I want to start row 3. Okay, before starting the row 3, I wanted to tell you if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for supporting. Okay, let's keep crocheting. To start the row 3, again you need to turn, and inside of the very first stitch, the very first V shape, I want to insert my hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops here. Insert your hook between the 2 loops, under this one, yarn over and pull through. Again, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So this is the first double crochet of row 3. Again, yarn over, insert your hook under the V shape of the next stitch, and make 1 double crochet. So you need to keep doing this until the end of the round, which is here, and then start the row 4 and keep making the rows until the end of the row 17. Don't forget to count your stitches after each row. You should have 30 double crochet. I'm gonna meet you after that. Okay, this is the end of the row 17. As you see, I have a square here. When you fold it, you should have a triangle. You see that? Just like this. Now I want to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After 10 chains, I want to insert my hook inside of here again. You see this gap here? Now I want to show you how to make slip stitch. So when you inserted your hook, you need to yarn over and grab the yarn, pull it through, make 2 loops. I want to pull this loop through this one. So pull it through. Just like that. Now pull the yarn. Now we can cut the yarn. Now it's time to fold and sew. So you should put your square like this. This part should be on the top. So like this, and then fold this part. I want to sew these two parts and these two parts, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you need a needle and a piece of white yarn. See, like that. Now I want to start sewing. And so on until here. Okay, when you get here, it's time to sew the other part, which is this part. So first, connect it and start sewing. Keep sewing until this part. Okay, this is over. You see these two parts are connected. Now I want to cut the yarn. Now I want to hide the tails. So insert your hook for this tail, connect it. Okay. Now again. I want to bring it to the inside of the pouch. So grab it. Now I want to tie knots. You see, like that. Another one. Okay. Now we can cut the yarn. Do the same thing for other yarn tails. Okay, now the yarn tails are hidden. Now let's crochet the heart. I want to use this color for the heart. So you need the yarn tail and the same hook. I want to show you how to make a magic ring. To make the magic ring, you need these two fingers. Make an X shape here and a parallel on your fingers. You see, this is the working yarn. This is the working yarn. Now you have two loops on your fingers. Insert your hook under this one. Grab the other one and bring it out. Twist your hook like this. Grab the working yarn and pull it through this loop. Okay, nice. After making the magic ring, I want to chain 2. So 1 and 2. Now inside of the magic ring, I want to make 3 treble crochets. So I'm going to show you how. You need to yarn over twice. You see that? Now insert your hook inside of the magic ring, yarn over, pull it through the magic ring. Make 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So this is 1 treble crochet. Again, yarn over twice inside of the magic ring. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. 2 treble crochets. Again, yarn over twice, insert your hook. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. 3 treble crochets. Now I want to make 4 double crochets inside of the magic ring. So yarn over 1 time, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again pull through 2 loops. 1 double crochet, Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2, 2 double crochets, again 3 double crochets, and again 1 more, 4 double crochets. Okay, after 4 double crochets I want to chain 2, so 1 and 2, and again I want to make 4 double crochets. After 4 double crochets, I want to make 3 treble crochets. Okay, after 3 treble crochets, I want to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now I want to make a slip stitch inside of the magic ring. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through again, just like that. Now we can cut the yarn. Now you need to pull the short tail of the magic ring. You see that? I'm going to pull it just like this. You see? It looks like a heart. Now I want to tie knots. Okay, this is our heart. Now I want to connect it to the pouch, so put it there. I'm going to use these 2 tails, so insert your hook from here, grab this yarn tail and pull it through for one part, and for the other part, insert your hook in there, see? Grab the yarn and pull it through from there. Okay, this is nice. Now I want to tie knots. Now you can cut the yarn. Okay, this is how you can close the pouch. Just like this. You can put anything you want inside of it and give it to someone you love. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to support me. I'm gonna see you in the next one.